So I'll change these while I was checking these brushes on this DeWalt SDS drill. Should really use a little screwdriver to there you go. There's the brushes. There's a clip at the back there, so you have to pull that off. Best to use a little screwdriver for this bit, but when you put it up, push it to the right. Otherwise, you push it to the left. Sorry, if you push it the other way, it can unwind itself, and you'll be in a right mess. Obviously, you can pull that way now. Well, once you unclipped it, that'll pull out. But there's loads left on that, so I ain't going to change these. So, put your retaining clip back on, and that's it. Easy on these professional drills. That's it.